Although we recommend developing with SSH for the best compatibility with Gradescope's grading environment, some of you might find it more convenient to develop locally. In Windows, this requires a compatibility layer called WSL, or Windows Subsystem for Linux. In this video, we'll install WSL on Windows. First, open the control panel. Set the view mode to large icons, then click on Programs and Features, and turn Windows features on or off. Turn on the feature Virtual Machine Platform. Click OK and allow your computer to restart to make the necessary changes. Second, navigate to the following link, aka.ms/WSL store page. You should be prompted to open the Microsoft Store where you can install the Windows Subsystem for Linux app. Third, click on the search bar and search for and run Windows PowerShell. To ensure WSL has installed correctly, run the command wsl-version. The first line should give a version around 2.5.9.0. Fourth, install an Ubuntu Linux environment with the following command, wsl-install-d Ubuntu. The command line will prompt you to fill out any necessary information, like a username and password. After installation, you'll find yourself in the command line prompt where you can execute Linux commands. If you need to reopen this prompt, you can do so by searching for the app WSL in your search bar. It's good practice to update the system after installing with the following command, sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Confirm the upgrade when prompted to do so. Fifth, we're going to install some tools that are needed in ECE 264. Run the following command, sudo apt install gcc make gdb man git valgrind. When the command finishes, you can close the WSL terminal window. Sixth, open VS Code and search for the WSL extension. The extension adds support for WSL within VS Code, so you can use it like you use SSH. Go ahead and install it. After the extension is installed, click on the blue rectangle on the bottom left of the screen containing opposing arrows. Click Connect to WSL and notice that the bottom left text changes to WSL Ubuntu when you are connected. Now, you're ready to follow videos 3 through 6 to complete setting up your environment. Perform the steps as if you're on a Linux system using the WSL terminal to enter commands. If you've already set up VS Code for SSH, VS Code may prompt you to reinstall some extensions so they work in WSL. One last thing. When using VS Code in WSL mode, only open folders created in WSL. Opening other folders may kick you out of WSL mode. If you want to work in a different project, for example this homework, you'll need to copy it to your WSL installation first. You can do this by scrolling down on the left of your file explorer, clicking on Linux, navigating to Ubuntu, Home, and then your account username, and pasting the folder. Then, when you go into VS Code and open the folder, you'll see it appear in the file picker and you can open it as usual.